G'day folks, this is Blue Shirt with you. I've got a challenge lock here from TLP. His name is Tyndall Lockpicker. Not heard of him before, but apparently he was active about 6 years ago. And I picked this earlier. I was talking to Brett Sucks about it, and just thought I'd go ahead and video it. I just thought it was a really good CL. Takes a very delicate touch. I hope that I can duplicate the open, because it took me a little while to get it open first time. But let's try it, see what happens. So it's a Schlage SC4 6-pin kick. Yeah. So just a light, well, medium, I'll say medium. Feeling through here. Okay. All right, I'll let up a little bit. Got to click out of 5. Another click out of 5. Leave that alone. 4, nothing. 3. Whoa. Nothing. 2. Nothing. 1. Ooh. Nothing. Go back to the back. 6. Nothing. 5. Okay. Got some more clicks out of that. A little rotation. Okay, that was 3. A little more rotation. 2. 1. Back at 6 now. Feels like it's set. 5 feels set. 4. Feels set. 3. Trying to counter rotate. Okay. Don't think I should mess with that anymore. 2. Trying to come up a little bit. Okay. 1. Went way up there. Leave that alone. 2. 2 is just solid. 3 solid. 4 wants to come up a little bit. Hope this isn't a mistake. Feels like a mistake. Leave it alone for now. Well, I did it anyway. And now it's springy as hell, so I not sure that was a good idea. Back to 3, 2. Guess I dropped a bunch of stuff. 1. Back on 5. Nothing. 6. Ooh. Okay, 1 feels set. 2 feels set. 3 feels set. 4 feels set. 5. 6. Well, I didn't fall into this trap before. Not sure what, let's add some tension to it. Oh, it is open. I'm not sure what's going on there. I don't know why it would be so bound up, but it was open. Okay, so let's take it apart. It's almost like a spring got caught up in there or something. We'll find out. All right, let's lock it back up. Well, now it's loose. Now it's really loose. That was just weird. All right. Gut wrench. Okay, that was like the easiest one today. Key. Follower. Oh, better shim this one. There's a lot of serrations. Damn, I can't even get past the 6th one. Come on. Okay, got it. I really don't want to chance this one because it seems kind of, if there's going to be one that caused me problems today, it'd probably be this one. Okay, so, oops. Yeah, got a lot of serrated pins there. Oh, sorry. There we go. So definitely some thread in there. And the start of a, I don't know, maybe that's just wear from this, in this plug, in this cylinder. and number 2 from prior life. I don't know. The top of this one is skinnier or smaller in diameter, so that would make things a little tougher, huh? All right. Okay. Thought it was a rattlesnake, but it's just a really finely serrated driver pin with a like a gin on the end of it. Very similar for the second one and third one. There's a spool in that one, fourth one. Gosh, I'm not even showing you guys what's going on. It's been a long day. Oh, that one's different. Oops. That last one, lots of serrations. The Bible is heavily threaded. Just had that sleeve off. Sure you can see that. So heavy plug modifications and Bible. Might be. Yeah. Looks like he did a little bit of undermilling too, at least on that first one. Very nice. Wish this fellow was, his channel didn't look very active anymore, but really good CL. I enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.